special lectures and training workshops on drawing from nature. Enjoy sketching and drawing techniques, nature journaling workshops, special sessions from the artists, acknowledgement of the students' spreads of art. We invite those who are interested in art and drawing. The course will be taught by Ms. Christian Kai Harper, illustrator and educator, former president of the Guild of Natural Science Illustrators, GNSI, and father of GNSI New England State, USA, and award-winning artist from Thailand. This event is organized by Sirindhorn Science Home, National Science and Technology Development Agency. The workshops will be organized during 14 to 15 February 2013. Registration from now to the 10th January 2013, limited to 20 participants only. The event will be held at Sirindhorn Science Home. For more information, please visit our website at worldwideweb.nstda.or.th/ssh. Thank you for your attention.